Hey everyone, today we're building a portable USB-powered soldering iron, perfect for emergencies. It's extremely simple to make, lightweight and ideal for quick repairs anywhere. So friends, for this project, we are using all these components that will help us build a compact USB-powered soldering iron. To start, we take a copper wire and cut it according to our requirements. Once cut, we take a slipcover and carefully place it over the copper wire to secure the structure. Next, we take some additional wires, also cut to the proper length. We carefully fold these wires over the copper wire, making sure both wires are fixed securely and neatly. This step ensures the foundation of our project is strong and reliable. And friends, this soldering iron is extremely useful during emergencies. After completing the base wiring, we take a nichrome wire. We cut it to the required length and fold it over the copper wire carefully. This is the main heating element of the soldering iron, so precision and tight placement are very important. Now let's quickly fold the nichrome wire carefully. Make sure the folding is tight and secure, because this wire is the main heating element. As you can see, it's firmly fixed in place, and now we trim off the extra portion for a clean and reliable finish. Next, we place another slipcover on top of the assembly to hold everything in place. We then place a second wire on the assembly to further stabilize the structure. This ensures all components are aligned perfectly and will function efficiently. Finally, we take a radio antenna, cut it according to our needs, and place it on the assembly carefully. This adds additional support and completes the external setup. Now friends, as you can see, we have now completed the main assembly of our soldering iron. Next, we take the upper wire and trim it carefully so that it can be connected properly. Once cut, and is ready for the next step. After that, we take a large wooden piece as the base. Once the wires are in place, we move on to completing the electrical connections. This step is very simple. Just follow the wiring pattern as shown here. For your reference, I will provide a complete diagram in the description box. Next, we place a slipcover on top of the assembly and apply heat to secure it strongly. This ensures that all components remain intact and the structure is durable. Now we fit all the components neatly inside the body. If you want, you can also use a plastic body to make the project even more advanced and lightweight. All components are now perfectly positioned, and the assembly is ready for testing. For testing, we are using a USB adapter to power the soldering iron. We connect it to the board and allow it a few moments to heat up. After connecting it to the board, you can see the soldering iron heating up instantly. For testing, we take a solder wire, and notice how easily it is held and controlled. Now, we test it by soldering directly on a PCB, and as you can see, the iron works smoothly and efficiently, making precise soldering effortless. The project is working perfectly. As you can see, it heats up quickly, allowing us to solder efficiently, and it's extremely useful for emergency repairs. So friends, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this project. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, take care and much love to all of you.